Welcome back to another video. Today we have the DeWalt XR996 against the new Flex, the Flex tool with the 5 amp hour battery. This is a 5 amp hour battery from DeWalt. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribing and likes. Guys, I know this is not the newest, but this is the one that I have now. This is very comparable to the newer ones. If this one can beat this one, that means it's going to be a challenge for the new ones. This one's very close to being like the new ones. It's not a lot of difference. So alright, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, we got a couple of 3/8 Milwaukee. Obviously, we're going to be running this one on turbo. So top speed. This one we're going to be running on 3 speed. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, we're going to do a hole right here. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, the next one that we have an auger bit. A Spider 3 1/4 auger bit. Pretty thick, a lot of power. A lot of power to run this. 1, 2, 3, go. We can try this again with a flexible battery on this, see if it'll work, but I'm pretty sure it's not. So we're going to try it one more time with the flexible battery. Alright, we're going to do it right over here. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, we're going to start with this auger bit here and the 996, and then we're going to add the Flex. Speed 3 and full battery Flex bolt. And we are in drilling mode. I think we sunk a little bit more than what we had to sink it. Alright, we're going to be doing a lag, and we do have a 3/4 inch Makita impact. So as you guys see there, they're about equal. We're in drilling mode and speed 3. Speed 3. Alright, we're going to be doing this on speed 2, turbo mode. 1, 2, 3, go. So it was not able to do it, but it did put it in further than the DeWalt. Alright, we're gonna do one more with this one in first speed. Let's try it on speed 1. We'll do speed 1, turbo mode. 1, 2, 3, go. I think this Flex drill is a far superior drill than this DeWalt XR996. I think this is a Flex is going the right direction. They're actually competing with the bigger brands. They're competing with this DeWalt and the Milwaukee. Hopefully I can get my hands into a Milwaukee hammer drill so we can test it out, or if I can get the Flex Volt or the Power Detect, either one of those three definitely will be a better match for this drill. Like I said, this is definitely a great drill. Definitely recommend it. I think it's getting there. It's not perfect, but it's getting there. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make me to review videos. That's the way YouTube grows the platform, by subscribes and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.